Here we go again. Another trending thread about how AI and no-code are going to replace developers. Really? That's like saying Iron Man's suit made him a hero without Tony Stark. No. The suit's cool, but without the guy inside, it actually knowing what he's doing, it's just expensive cosplay. Yeah, tools like Webflow, Framer, Notion sites, they're getting scary fast, like Quicksilver fast. People with zero coding skills are dragging, dropping, and launching things that used to take us all weekend, and that can sting a little. Like, what's the point of you knowing 17 JavaScript frameworks if Karen from marketing just launched a new landing page while eating a sandwich? But let's pull a Peter Parker here and use our brain, not just our powers. These tools, they're great for MVPs, splash pages, startup pitches that will die faster than Uncle Ben. But the second the business needs custom logic, secure payments, real backend integration, or scaling to more than 10 users, guess what? That no-code magic starts falling apart like Mysterio's illusions. Because here's the truth. No-code can make you feel like Spiderman swinging through New York until you hit a problem that needs real code. And suddenly you're dangling from a thread, yelling for a dev to save the day. That dev, that's us. Developers aren't going extinct. We're evolving. The best ones now, they're like Doctor Strange, multitasking across dimensions. You can code up a secure plugin, automate the boring stuff with AI, and still launch a quick prototype with a no-code tool because you know when and how to use what. Imagine Peter Parker using his Spidey senses and a Stark suit. That's what we're doing. AI writes the boilerplate, no-code handles the fluff, and we focus on the real work, performance tuning, security, APIs that don't break in production, and logic that actually makes sense. You're not being replaced. You're being upgraded. If you can build with code, wire things together with APIs, and deploy with or without a UI, you're basically the vision of web development. Half human, half machine, fully essential. So let the world chase drag and drop dreams. Let the suits talk about AI replacing engineers. Meanwhile, we'll be over here writing the stuff that keeps the web from crashing harder than the multiverse. Because when the real chaos hits, they're going to need someone who knows how to code. They're going to need a Spider-Man. And guess what? That's still us.